In today's video, I am going to teach you how to draw a line with absolute coordinates in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place line endpoints at precise locations using absolute XY values measured from the global origin. Go ahead and open AutoCAD. And once your drawing area and command line are ready, we'll start with the line command. You can launch it by typing line or simply L on your keyboard. Then press enter. This wakes up the command line and waits for your first point. Now we'll specify that first point using absolute coordinates. Absolute coordinates are measured directly from the fixed 0, 0, 0 origin of the drawing, not from your last point. In 2D, you'll typically enter them in XY format. For example, typing 150 and pressing enter places the first endpoint at an X value of 100 units and a Y value of 50 units from the origin. Think of the origin as the universal reference point for the entire drawing. If you don't specify a Z value, AutoCAD assumes Z equals 0, which is perfect for most 2D work. After the first point is placed, AutoCAD prompts you for the next point. If dynamic input is on, the software may assume you want relative input from the last point. To make sure you are still working with absolute coordinates, prefix the next coordinate with the hash symbol. For example, type hash 100, 200 and press enter. That hash tells AutoCAD explicitly, use the global XY values from the origin, overriding any relative behavior from dynamic input. This is a reliable way to keep your geometry accurate when you are mixing different input methods or snapping around. You can continue defining more vertices the same way. Each time you want an absolute location, just enter X, Y, and include the hash when dynamic input is active to avoid accidental relative entries. Watch the command line feedback as you go. It will confirm each coordinate you've accepted. If you make a typo, press ESC to cancel the current prompt and re-enter the coordinate correctly. When you are done placing points, press enter to accept the final segment. If you need to cancel out of the command entirely instead, press ESC. Your line is now drawn exactly where you intended, anchored to precise absolute coordinates measured from the 0, 0 origin. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.